where does it go? Whiskey and wild nights burning so bright, tangled in trouble, chasing the fight. Whiskey and wild nights never feel right, but who needs right when wrong's so alive? The jukebox screams in a smoky haze. The clock stuck staring, it don't count days. Laughter rolls like dice on a tilted floor. One more round, then one round more. The fire's in the glass, the past is in the air. Whiskey and wild nights burning so bright, tangled in trouble, chasing the fight. Whiskey and wild nights never feel right, but who needs right when wrong's so alive? A lover's kiss tastes like fire and sin. The devil smirking, let the game begin. Cards on the table, hearts on the line. Drink to forget, but remember in time. Whiskey and wild nights burning so bright, tangled in trouble, chasing the fight. Whiskey and wild nights never feel right, but who needs right when wrong's so alive? Wheel a match under the midnight dome, fingers trembling, hearts made of chrome. The stars shivered, the air stood still. We whispered to the dark, bend it to our will. survive. Waves crash like fists on a crumbling shore. The earth shakes, but I want more. I'm a flame that the rain can't ignore. Every drop is a drum, every gust a chord. I'm the chaos, I'm the sword. Ride the storm, ride it high. Feel the lightning kiss the sky. No surrender, no goodbye. We ride the storm, we don't just survive. Ride the storm, ride it high. Feel the lightning kiss the sky. No surrender, no goodbye. We ride the storm, we don't just survive. Ride the storm, ride it high. Feel the lightning kiss the sky. No surrender, no goodbye. We ride the storm, we don't just survive. We don't just smoke on the horizon, like a whisper turned to a scream. The sky wears ashes like a crown. Nothing is what it seems. Smoke on the horizon. The world's on fire, but I'm still trying to breathe, to run, to fight. Is it the end of the line, or just a spark we failed to see? The ashes of you and me. Kiss like a blade in a garden of shadows where secrets are made. Smoke curls like ribbons, it twists and it turns. The air smells of powder, the fire still burns. Roses and revolvers, Heavy steps on a fractured floor. No surrender, no retreat. This is where our hearts will meet. Flowing deep through the canyon's throat, a silver thread where legends flow, whispers of time carved in stone. A river speaks, but it's never alone. River of the gods, carry me far, past the moonlight, past the stars, through the echoes, through the sands. Hold my fate in your endless hands. Dancing wild with life and death, a mirror to skies, a cradle for dreams, splitting the earth with eternal seams. Do you hear it? The ancient call. River of the gods, carry me far, past the moonlight, past the stars, through the echoes, through the sands. Hold my fate in your endless hands. Every ripple, a story untold. Every bend, a secret of old. Where do you lead? Where do you go? To the heavens or depths below. A silver sky where shadows gleam. I'm chasing stars in a restless stream. Fingers grasp, but they slip through. What's real? What's me? What's true? Crown of dreams, it's shining bright, lost in the dark, but I'll find the light. Crown of dreams, it's all I see, 1,000 paths. Which one's for me? The ground it shakes, the air stands still, climbing mountains against my will. Every step a whispered prayer, is the crown waiting there. The world's a maze of broken seams, but I'm holding on to my crown of dreams. Crown of dreams, it's shining bright, lost in the dark, but I'll find the light. Crown of dreams, it's all I see, 1,000 paths. Which one's for me? Golden whispers call my name, a spark, a flame, a burning game. Every fall just feeds my fire, every loss builds me higher. Golden whispers call my
shadow sleeps on the mountain's face. It whispers secrets in the cold, dark space. The wind hums low, the trees all bow. Who knew silence could scream so loud? Shadow of the mountain, where do you go? Do you follow the river or bury the snow? Do you linger at dawn? Do you vanish at noon or dance with the wolves Footsteps fade in the mossy ground. Lost in the echoes where none are found. The rocks hold stories carved by the rain. Every tear of the earth, every ounce of pain. Is it the shadow, or is it me chasing ghosts I can't even see? Shadow of the mountain, where do you go? Do you follow the river or bury the snow? At noon, or dance with the wolves beneath the pale moon? My hand fell through like a lie that was sweeter than it could be true. It